Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to talk about Redmi 6 Pro. Now before starting the video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button if you like my video. Now without doing any further delay, let's get started. Now at first let us have a look at the specifications of Redmi 6 Pro. Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro. The smartphone comes with a 5.84-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 x 2280 pixels at a PPI of 432 pixels per inch. The Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro is powered by 2 GHz Snapdragon 625 octa-core processor, and it comes with 3GB and 4GB of RAM and packs 32GB and 64GB of internal storage, and the storage can be expanded up to 256GB via micro SD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro packs a 12 plus 5 megapixel camera on the rear and a 5 megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro is powered by 4000 mAh non-removable battery and it weighs 178 gram. The Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro is a dual SIM smartphone that accepts nano SIM, and connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, USB, OTG, micro USB, FM, active 4G on both SIM cards, 3G, 4G, etc. And sensors on the phone include face unlock, fingerprint sensor, compass, magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer sensor, and ambient light sensor. Now the question is, should you buy Redmi 6 Pro? Yes, you should definitely buy it, but the 3GB variant and not the 4GB variant, because the 3GB variant cost 11,000 rupees, and at 11,000 rupees you are getting a notch display, you are getting a full HD plus display, you are getting a 4000 mAh battery, and it has the same camera module that is present on the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So you can call it a Redmi Note 5 Pro with a Snapdragon 625 processor, and at the price of 12,000 rupees it is value for money device. Okay, so you should definitely buy it. So this was my video. If you like it, then give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.